Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to pin the taskbar in Windows 10. Pinning the taskbar allows you to keep your favorite apps and shortcuts easily accessible for quick access. So let's get started. Step 1. Press Start. The Start button is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Great. Now that the Start menu is open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Click on Settings. You can find the Settings option represented by a gear icon. Excellent, now on to the next step. Step 3. Click Personalization. Look for the icon that features a paintbrush and a monitor. Almost there. Now, on to the next step. Step 4. Click Taskbar. This option can be found at the bottom of the menu in the panel on the left side of the screen. Great, now, on to the final step. Step 5. Click the switch next to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode to turn it off. If you want your taskbar to display while you're using your laptop in tablet mode, make sure to turn off the switch next to automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. Fantastic! You have successfully pinned the taskbar in Windows 10. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to pin the taskbar in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.